Hey guys, this is Mason, Fastlane European. We got another informative video for you here. It's a 2015 Mini Cooper. We're going to be replacing the right side engine mount. We've done a little bit of the hard work already. We're going to show you, anytime you do this job, you're going to have to replace the headlight adjusters. The adjusters get stuck and jammed up with the headlight screws, so make sure you get some adjusters and headlight screws. The reason we're replacing this mount is because, well, it's leaking hydraulic fluid. You can see it leaking here, and then the mount is pretty cracked and broken. We're going to put something under the engine to show you how much motion is actually in this mount, and then once we get it out, we'll show you the comparison of old engine mount versus new engine mount. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoy the video.